today's lesson concerns the amazing ostrich, a creature full of surprises. First, as we already know, ostriches are flightless birds. However, they are the fastest runners among all birds, able to sprint up to 70 kilometers per hour. Now, let's explore their habitat, diet, and life cycle. Habitat ostriches are primarily found in the savannas and deserts of Africa. These dry and open landscapes provide the perfect environment for ostriches to thrive. The vast spaces allow them to run at full speed when they need to escape predators. Diet. Ostriches are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and small animals. Their diet mainly consists of seeds, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Occasionally, they might also eat insects or small reptiles. Interestingly, ostriches sometimes swallow small pebbles to help them grind and digest the food in their stomach. Eggs and reproduction. Did you know that ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird species? An ostrich egg can weigh up to 1.4 kilograms, about the size of 24 chicken eggs. Ostriches lay their eggs in large communal nests, and males and females take turns incubating them. After about 40 to 45 days, the chicks hatch. While ostriches are native to Africa, they are also found in farms and wildlife reserves in various parts of the world. In some places, they are raised for their feathers, leather, and meat. In the wild, ostriches can live up to 30 to 40 years. However, in captivity, where they are protected from predators and have access to consistent food, they can live even longer, sometimes up to 50 years. Ostriches are incredible birds that have adapted to their environment in unique ways. From their speed and strength to their large eggs and impressive lifespan, these birds are a true marvel of nature.
In deserts wide they roam so free, where skies are bright and winds run free. Though flight they lack, they're swift as light, with legs that carry them in flight. Their eggs are large as white as snow, the biggest any bird can know. In nests they lay both day and night, the parents' care a precious sight. They feast on seeds and fruits they find, with leaves and insects intertwined. And stones they swallow small but round, to grind their fruit beneath the ground. For 40 years or more they'll stand, the fastest runners on the land. In Africa they make their home, across the plains they freely roam.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more video.